Hi mathematicians, today we are on lesson 7.11 in your Go Math book. We're talking about AM and PM, morning and night, and we are on page 385. Our question is this: how do you use AM and PM to describe times? Okay, so when we talk about time, we talk about the morning and the evening. So it says draw the clock hands to show each time, then write each time. Okay, so it says pick an activity that you do in the morning. Well, every morning I eat breakfast and drink coffee, but you probably don't drink coffee. But let's say eat breakfast. Now we all may do that at different times, but I'm going to write 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, and now I'm going to show that. I have to point to the hour, and then my minute hand points, remember, to the 12, which is o'clock. 7 o'clock. Now, when I talk about something that happened in the morning, I say 7 a.m. Okay, we'll get into that more in a little bit. Now, something we do in the evening. Hopefully you all brush your teeth. Okay, so in the evening, it depends what time I'm going to bed, but I usually brush my teeth around, let's say, 9 o'clock. Okay, brush my teeth. 9 o'clock. So when I show my hour, my little hand points to the 9, and then my big hand points to the 12. And that, when we talk about the evening, we say PM, and I did that at 9 o'clock PM. Okay? You can write out more activities that you do and draw your own clocks just to get some practice in if you would like. Okay, we're moving on. Noon is 12 o'clock in the daytime. Midnight is 12 o'clock at night. Times after midnight and before noon are written with AM. Okay, so that's anything that happens in the morning. 11 a.m. is in the morning. Times after noon and before midnight are written with PM. 11 p.m. is in the evening. Hopefully you are fast asleep. Okay. So, writing the time. Circle AM or PM. Eating breakfast. Oh, okay. He's eating his breakfast at 7:15. Is that a morning activity or an afternoon activity? Well, we just talked about it and we said that I eat my breakfast in the morning, so it is definitely AM. Okay, number 2. Go to art class. Let's look at the clock. The clock is in the 1 zone, that's the hour. And the minute hand is pointing to the 8. 30, 35, 40. 1:40. Now, would I go to my art class at 1:40 a.m.? No, that is the middle of the night. That's when I'm fast asleep, dreaming. Okay, I'm not going to go then. I'm going to go in the afternoon. You are going to go in the afternoon, the PM. Okay, anything after lunch. After lunch, PM. Oh, doing your homework. I love this. Well, it might look different now because you are at home, but let's see. The hour hand is pointing to the 4 zone. Okay, and then this we know is half past. We did this last lesson, so it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 4:30. Now, would you do your homework at 4:30 a.m. when everyone's sleeping in the morning? No, you would not. You do it in the PM when you come home from school. Okay, it's after your lunch. All right, last one, arriving at school. Well, when would you arrive? Arrive means to show up. Let's think about that. Okay, doesn't mean leaving, arriving, showing up. So your hour hand is in the 8 zone. And our minute, let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 8:25. Okay, they have a later school start than we do. But would he be getting to school in the afternoon or in the morning? Definitely in the morning, unless he had a doctor's appointment, which it doesn't say that he did. Okay, moving on, your turn.